first of all, the overview of the SAP and why SAP came into the market and what is the purpose of this particular Abap tool. What is the importance of this one? And there are some topics in that one. We will discuss that all the topics. Okay. First of all, what is the SAP, guys? What is the full form of SAP? SAP full form is Systems Application Products in Data Processing. What is the meaning of the system application products in a data processing? Okay, let me give us some introduction about SAP, guys. For this one, let me take some simple requirement for you. Okay, what is my requirement, guys? Let's take, I am working in a Honda store. I got some requirement from customer that he is expecting to deliver 30 bikes in 10 days. What is his requirement, guys? He expecting to deliver 30 bikes in 10 days. Now, actually, I am a sales guys. I taken the requirement. But before the taken a requirement, what I need to do confirmation, guys. The 30 bikes, is it possible to deliver within the 10 days or not? Without that confirmation, he will not give me order. Yes or not? That's why before taking a order from him side, I need to give a confirmation to him. How to give that confirmation, guys? I need to check that one, that 30 bikes are available in my store or anywhere that I can deliver in within whatever the time period he is given. Means that is 10 days. Now, first of all, what I will do, guys? First of all, I will check in my store that 30 bikes are available or not. Negative, guys. We don't have 30 bikes in our store. Next thing, what I will do? I will approach the nearest store. I am located in a Hyderabad Amirpet location. I will approach the all Hyderabad nearer location. Means there we have a 30 bikes or not. There also negative. We don't have 30 bikes nearer store location. Then I requested him to provide some more time that to give a confirmation. Then I approach the head office. First of all, what I done, guys? There is a order, you got it. This order we need to give a confirmation. How to give a confirmation, guys?
So your voice is fluctuating.
Voice is fluctuating. For everyone or all the guys are fit?
For me, it's clear.
Who's the facing the fluctuating that issue? Madhu or
Sir, me, sir, Gaurav.
Gaurav. Gaurav, you connected with mobile data or what, man? Wi-Fi only?
Sir, Wi-Fi and SIM network both.
SIM and both connected with one, man. Go with Wi-Fi. Because if all guys are facing issue, it's issue from my side. But no one is facing that issue. That's why actually. Or rejoin again once, Gaurav.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I will hold on, man. Just rejoin again. No problem. Meanwhile, one more guy has joined, Itendra Pushkar. May I know your details, ma'am, Pushkar?
Yes.
Yeah, Pushkar, tell me. Where are you from and what is your background? That's it. Also. Yeah.
Sir, my name is Jan Pushkar and I am from Bihar. Currently, I'm pursuing a Bachelor of Technology. I'm in final year now and a fresher.
Okay, perfect. How you connected with Razia, ma'am, Pushkar?
Through Gurleen, ma'am. So.
Gurleen, perfect. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Thanks. And there is one more guy. Prakash, you didn't give any introduction, Prakash. Are you there? Okay, is Gaurav joined?
Yeah.
Gaurav is me clear, man? Can I continue?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Now, what is happened, guys? What we got it now? We got it the order. Once we got a order, what is that one, guys? We already checked the nearer store and our store also. There is a every time is a negative reply. That's why what we are doing, guys, we are approaching our head office to start a manufacturing. What we are doing, we are approaching to the head office persons. From a order, what I need to do, guys? I need to go for a manufacturer. Manufacturer means I need to approach the head office. Once I go to a head office, then what I do, guys, I will tell my requirement. What is my requirement, guys? I need to deliver 30 bikes in a 10 days, guys. Okay. That head office, guys, they will not give the confirmation instantly. They also need to check that one is it possible to complete the order within a 10 days or not. How they will confirm, guys? First of all, after this one, they will approach the first of all the account related department. Why they will need to approach the account related department? Because they need to manufacture this particular whatever the bikes. That's why they want to cross check that one they have a sufficient funds or not. If they have a sufficient funds, they can go for the manufacturing. Else, yes or not. That's why now accountant guy given confirmation that one, yes, we can have we have a sufficient funds. You can go for the manufacturing. Now, once we want to start a manufacturing, guys, we need to go with the requirement. What is the requirement? We need to deliver the 30 bikes in a 10 days. For that one, what we need to do, guys? Actually, one bike will take a 1 day, guys, but they are expecting 3 bikes in a day. Means we need to act more fast and we need to complete the requirement as soon as possible. That's why we need a more manpower, guys, to complete the requirement. What you need? We need a more manpower to complete the requirement. That's why we need to get a more persons on in this particular project. That's why we need to approach the HR department, guys. What we need to do, guys? We need to approach the HR department. Why we need to approach the HR department? Because this guy knows that one, which guy is working on a what is the priority based on a project. They will get into this particular work and they complete the requirement. Okay. Now, if you observe the whole process of this requirement, now after HR guys get into the particular persons, automatically manufacturing is completed and you can deliver it within the time. This is the process if you take it, guys, at any time period. If you take a 1990s, if you take a nowadays, if you take at any time period also, process is the same, means. But performing the one, how to approaching the one department to another department, how the performance is going on a product, whatever it is there, that is the difference. Means, let's take the same requirement in a 90s, guys. What do we need to do? I need to call the head office guys. Head office persons will call accountant, accountant to HR, delivery. Like one by one, we need to take a confirmation call or email or whatever will be there. That will take so much time. But now I am approaching some applications like a WhatsApp, Facebook, like that. SAP is also application, guys. Once I raise a order here, automatically it will came as a notification for the every department. Whoever may, I need a confirmation from the every department. It will get as a notifications. They will accept within the time and I will accept the what is that one, guys? I will get a reply from the each department. Then I can give the customer confirmation. What? How it will be possible, guys? It is a possible if all the departments, order, head office, accountant, HR, delivery, all the departments has to develop on a one particular tool only. Suppose I want to start batch, guys. For that one, I need to inform you guys will start a batch from tomorrow on this particular time. Then every guy I need to take a contact number separately. I want to text you. But instead of what I will do, guys, I will create a one WhatsApp group and I will send a only one single message. It will reach you at the time. But suppose let's take example, Pfizer don't have a WhatsApp account. Then how can I send the Pfizer message? I need to go with the text message or a call. That's why if I want to, whatever I am doing in an order, if I am expecting it has to approach the each department, all the things has to develop on under one particular tool on one particular programming language. That is we call a SAP. SAP means what is that one, guys? It is a coordinating all the departments into one particular module. That is order means they already given a one particular module called SAP SD module, means a sales and distribution module. A accountant means like it will be handling of a general ledger related process. That is we call as a FICO module. HR means SAP HR or a HCM module. And now what I am doing, guys, all the departments I am dividing into one single program on different types of modules. But what I told you, guys, just you have a contact number is not enough, guys. You base it on a contact number, you need a WhatsApp account also. Means what I need to do, guys, I have a department, but all the things has to develop on a one single programming language. That is why called as a SAP Abap, guys. Why Abap is came into market, guys? To integrate all these particular one into one single programming language. That is we call as a Abap. Okay. If you observe the full form of SAP, there will be so many applications you have. In that one, you have some products. To migrate into one particular data processing into by using a systems, we are going a concept called SAP, guys. Okay. In this one, what is the concept we are discussing, guys? Abap. Abap means what is that one, guys? Advanced. It is also one type of a module only, like a developer module, developer tool, whatever you can say. What is the full form of this one, guys? Advanced Business Application Programming Language. What is that one, guys? Advanced Business Application Pro means to improve your business application, guys, we are developing some advanced programming language. That is we call as Abap. Okay. Now I think you got an idea about what is the SAP and what is the Abap, guys. Okay. Now we'll discuss about some concept not overall whatever we are discussing on a SAP Abap, that we'll discuss now. If you observe this particular diagram, guys, there is a concept called, we have a RISE-F concept. These are the topics we are discussing in this particular total training, guys. We'll go one by one topic. What is the overview of the reports, interfaces, conversions, enhancements, forms? Okay. For again to discuss, get an idea about all these concepts, guys. First of all, we need to go to one more example. Suppose let's take an example, guys. I have a company called Khadir Pervet Limited. In my company, guys, I will do sale of laptops. Means we'll sell the laptops, wireless mouses, all whatever will be there. Now, I want to get a information of my best customer. What I want to get a information? I want to get a information of a best customer, guys. If I want to get a information, then what I will do, guys? Best customer on the which basis I will take it as him, someone guy. He's my best customer based on his billing, right? How much he paid to me to purchase any particular product. Yes or not? Now, best customer means I will go to a sales table. There I will find some whoever that done a more purchase from my particular store. I will take it as he's my best customer. In the meanwhile, my manager told me that Akbar is my best customer. What is that one, guys? Manager told me that Akbar is our best customer. He purchased n number of products from my store. But I cannot go with a manager word, right? What I cannot do, guys? I cannot go with a manager word. That is Akbar is my best customer. I need to cross check that one. Is it really Akbar is the best customer or any other guy who can purchase more than Akbar? That's why in a sales table, what I will do, guys, I will provide some inputs called name of customer. Name of customer, what that one you have? Akbar. And I want to get a information from last 6 months, guys. I will give that particular duration. Okay. Now this is the inputs I am providing in a sales table. Based on the inputs, you will get some output or not. Based on the inputs, you will get some output. But whenever you are giving this particular inputs called name of customer and duration, automatically what is the output you are getting, guys? You are getting a output called 10 customers with a name called Akbar. What you are getting, guys? You are getting a 10 customers with a name called Akbar. Why you are getting a 10 customers, guys? If you observe here, guys, if you go into your college also, in your office also, with the name means 100% there is a one more guy will be there. That's why they have a employee IDs and student IDs, guys. Like the same way, what is happened? We are provided a name of customer. Name of customer means there is a chances we can have a multiple customer with the same name. That's why how many customers information you are getting? You are getting a 10 customers and information with a name called Akbar, guys. But I don't require 10 customers, guys. I required a customer called Akbar, who is in a Gachibowli, Hyderabad. Like some information I have, guys. This is the information I have. But if I take in Gachibowli, if I take a Hyderabad, anything, guys, I can get a multiple customer. That's why I want to get a unique customer means for that one only, guys. Whenever you purchase any product from any store, they will create a customer ID based on each customer. What they will create, guys? They will create a customer ID based on each customer. Suppose you went to some any store, guys. Whenever you are purchasing first time any product, they will ask you, sir, do you have a customer ID? If you don't have, they will ask you customer name, any identification number, address, any particular your contact number. Based on that one, what they will do, guys? Automatically they will click on a save. ID will be generated, unique ID, guys, which will be not like a same ID for the another customer. Now, if you need to give this unique ID, where I need to give, guys? I need to give in a sales table. But where you will get this particular unique ID, guys? You will get this unique ID in the table called customer details table. Where you will have this particular ID, guys? You have in a customer details table. Means in a sales table, you have a sales information. Customer details means you have all the customer related information. Now, I need to go to customer details and I will give whatever input required. Now, for Akbar, I got a customer ID called 1001, guys. What is the Akbar customer ID, guys? 1001. Now, this customer ID, where I will add, guys? I will add it into my inputs call here. In this one, what I will add? I will add a customer ID is equal to 1001. Now, once you added this particular ID, how many customers you will get, guys, as a output? You will get only one customer only. Why? Because here you clearly mention that one. I required only customer ID 1001. That's why how many customers you will get, guys? Only one customer. Now, if you observe the whole process, guys, to get a one customer information, to get one customer information, what is the process you are doing, guys? You are going to customer details table, get customer ID, sales table again. Based on a sales table, you will provide the inputs. Based on the inputs, you are getting some output, guys. Yes or not? This is the whole process of to get a one customer, guys. But same way process I want to apply for 100 customers. What is that one, guys? Now same way I want to apply the procedure for 100 customer, guys. One time means I can do easily, not a big deal for me. But same process I want to repeat a 100 times daily means that is a tough call for me, guys. That's why I will approach the developer now. What I will tell them? I will tell my requirement, guys. What is my requirement? I want to get a customer information based on a ID, but every time I don't want to repeat based on ID, give me the data. Means whatever manually I am doing a process that I explained here. What is that one, guys? Whatever manually I am doing the process that I explained here, based on the developer automate the process, guys. What is that one? Whatever manually you are doing the process, if developer automating the process in SAP above, that is we call a concept called a reports concept, guys. For a simple definition, what you can, guys, reports means whatever end user manually can do, if you want to automate the process, that is the concept we call as a reports concept, guys. Okay, perfect. Now next, going to one more concept. Now just to tell me, Faisal, could you tell me, man, I asked you to transfer some 20,000 amount, Faisal, but whenever you transferred, you got an error called insufficient balance, man. What you will do, Faisal? Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, Faisal, tell me. I asked you to transfer some 20,000 amount.
Mhm.
You try to transfer it, but you got an error called insufficient balance, man. But you know that one, there is a sufficient funds you have. What you will do?
Hmm.
Tell me, Faisal. What happened?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm just thinking.
Okay, nothing. You know, you have a sufficient funds,
Okay.
but whenever you are transferring, you got insufficient funds. What you will do?
I would report to the bank.
Yeah, before reporting the bank, what you will do? You will check the bank balance first of all, right? Why
Yes.
the sufficient? Wow, when it is detected all the things, what you will
Mm.
do? You will check the your statement or you will check the bank balance. Based on that one, you will get an idea. Now, same thing what happened, guys. Now you want to get a information of a 1001 Akbar. Yes or not? Now, once you given an input call Akbar, guys, then what is happened, guys? Suppose you developed the report, guys. Report developing means we need to understand the end, whatever the client is asking me or end user is asking. Means Khadir Private Limited is a client, guys, who is assigning some work to manually doing automate the process. Okay. Now he given the requirement. He is expecting to display the Mr. Akbar details. Now you developed all the report, all the things, guys. But what is happened once you given an input, the output is no data available for 1001 customer. What is the output? Like a how Faisal got a, what is that one? Insufficient balance. We got a error called no data available. Suppose Faisal simple error, he can go and add a amount, whatever he is a issue. But here you are developing a report, all the things. After developing a report, if you are not don't have a data of particular customer, then what is the use of developing a report, guys? That's why my question, my solution to Faisal, next time whenever he transferring the amount, please check the bank balance. You will not get any error. Why? Because you know what is the fund you have, then you can transfer without an error. Like the same way, before developing a report, guys, anyone is asked you Akbar details or Madhu details, whatever the details they are expecting, we need to cross check the data, guys. The data is really available or not. Where you will check that, guys? They are clearly telling you this is the customer details, this is the sales table. We need to cross check that from the tables only. Where you have a tables in SAP, guys? In SAP, we have a tables in a data dictionary. What is the position of this data dictionary, guys? Data dictionary means which will hold the SAP tables. All the tables of SAP will come under data dictionary one. Now what you will do? Whatever they asked you, customer details, you will go to customer details table and you will check the data. Akbar is available or not. If it is not available, you can tell them not to develop a report. Your work is completed now. If it is there, you can develop the report and give the solution to the particular user. Now, what is the meaning of a data dictionary means, guys? Which is holding the SAP tables. What is the tables, guys? In SAP, we have a two types of table, guys. One is called a standard table. Second one is a custom table, guys. What is the meaning of the standard table and custom table? Suppose, just take an example, guys. Every day in my institute, every day I'm getting some new lead. That's why, what is the information I need, guys? I need his name, address, where, what is his background, how much fees he's comfortable, like that, all the information I need. Not to forget, what I will do, guys, I will prepare a default Excel. What is the information I required? Based on that one, once I got a new lead for a Abap training, I will maintain all information. I will ask him continuously, what is your name? What is your background? Means what I am doing, guys, whatever continuously required to complete my whatever job, based on that one, I prepared a Excel sheet. Like the same way, SAP, guys, whatever regularly need for business, suppose you required a customer details table, you required sales table, you required a purchase table, whatever regularly need for any business, based on that one, SAP is already created a table. That is we called as a standard table, guys. It is created by SAP, guys. How will you identify, guys? It is created by SAP. If you have a table called A to X, guys. What is that one? If you have a table called from A to X, the table we called as a SAP tables created by SAP and standard table. But every time I cannot go with SAP. Sometimes they will ask some modification. Means a new options they were expecting. They were expecting a new tables from us. Then I need to create a new table, guys. Means any table is created by user. Created by user. That is we called as a